How to fix approach anxiety. I'm going to give you a simple two-step system that will permanently eliminate fear and nervousness around women, fix approach anxiety, and increase your confidence so you can approach women with no fear of rejection and go from approaching women to attracting them. First, I'll explain how it works, then I'll give you the two-step system. Let's say I invite you over to my place. You're standing outside the front door and you're carrying a big-ass backpack. The backpack contains all of your fears, everything you worry about, all of your problems, every hurtful experience you have ever had, and every negative emotion. Desperation, anxiety, sadness, anger, all of it is in this backpack. Before inviting you in, I ask you to do two things. First, I ask you to leave your backpack out front. Second, I ask you to leave your body out front as well. Leave it on the bench next to the door. Don't worry, there's a security fence. Your body is perfectly safe out front. And I guarantee no one's going to walk off with your backpack full of problems. It's completely safe out front. So you come in with no body, none of the items in your backpack, and I shut the door behind you. This part of you that has entered is still you. So let's talk about its qualities. It can't be scared, shy, or anxious. All that stuff is out front. Is it peaceful? Loving? Joyful? Is it patient? Is it confident? Is it connected to Source? Whatever Source is for you, God, the universe, nature, a higher power, is it connected? I'm going to say the answer to all of these questions is yes. By the way, this is still you. All that's missing is your body and a backpack full of issues, which means peace, joy, and confidence are your true nature. These qualities are incredibly attractive to women. All you have to do is complete two steps and you can live as your true self for the rest of your life. No fear, no worry, no shyness, no anxiety, no past trauma, no sadness, no depression, no emotional baggage, just peace, joy, confidence, and women. You can go from approaching women to attracting women because you will literally radiate confidence and joy all the time without thinking about it. If this is resonating with you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Help a brother out. Here's the two-step system. Step 1, get rid of your backpack. The stuff in your backpack is the root cause of every negative emotion you experience. In the words of Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, holding on to negative emotions is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. I'm going to give you a release technique that will allow you to drop your backpack so you can rid yourself of negative emotions in a matter of minutes and permanently eliminate fear and nervousness around women. Scientific research has verified the effectiveness of release techniques to eliminate negative emotions. Numerous research studies have been conducted by Dr. Richard Davidson of State University in New York and Dr. David McClelland of Harvard University. The doctors concluded that release techniques are simple, efficient, absent of questionable concepts, and produce rapid, observable results. While using the release technique I'm about to share, allow yourself to feel it working rather than trying to figure out how and why it works. Lead with your heart, not your head, as best you can. As you work with this process, you will understand it more fully by having the direct experience of doing it. So here we go. Make a list of all the negative emotions you experience. Schedule alone time and turn off your phone. You will not want to be disturbed. Select the first emotion you would like to release and think of something that causes you to feel the emotion. Allow yourself to experience the emotion as fully as you can. Notice what the emotion feels like. Notice where the emotion is located in your body. Continue to feel the emotion until it completely goes away on its own. If the emotion transforms into another emotion before going away completely, keep feeling whatever emotion comes up until you don't feel it anymore. Negative emotions can't stand the clear light of awareness. Giving the emotion your full attention by feeling it completely and noticing where it is in the body will cause the emotion to disappear. Repeat the process for every negative emotion on your list. In the future, the second you feel a negative emotion, use this exercise to remove it. Step 2. Practice off time. After ridding yourself of negativity by dropping your backpack, practicing off time will magnify your positive emotions. This is the secret to cultivating a vibe women can't resist. Off time is the practice of bringing your awareness to the present moment. It's a form of mindful meditation. I call it off time because there are many different types of meditation, and I want to make sure we are on the same page so you get the desired result. Here's a quick off time technique to get you started. I call it beauty breathing. Spiritual teacher and author Miranda McPherson talks about it in her 2018 book, The Way of Grace. Whenever you see something beautiful, imagine breathing from the heart chakra in the center of your chest. As you inhale, imagine the air is the beauty you are seeing as it fills your heart chakra. As you exhale, imagine the beauty traveling from your heart to a target. Beauty inhale, target exhale. Beauty inhale, target exhale. The target can be whatever you like, a person, place, or thing. It's completely up to you. Expand this practice to include love, appreciation, and gratitude. When you see something you love inhale, target exhale. When you see something you appreciate inhale, target exhale. When you see something you're grateful for, gratitude inhale, target exhale. How to fix approach anxiety. Step 1. Use a release technique to drop your backpack so you can permanently eliminate fear and nervousness around women. Step 2. Practice off time so you can live as your true self and experience confidence and joy as your dominant state of mind. Now that you know how to fix approach anxiety, I have a question for you. What is your biggest challenge with women and dating? I will help you fix it for free in exchange for answering a few market research questions. Schedule a free call at cloud9consultative.com/help or hit the link in the description. If you want to be more successful with women, you can have results or excuses, not both. Excuses will always be there for you. This opportunity won't. Free sessions are subject to availability and are awarded on a first-come, first-served basis. Because of the intense personal nature and time commitment, I reserve the right to discontinue this free offer at any time without notice. So if you're interested, sign up now.